How to fix Helldivers 2 black screen problem. Let's get started. Encountering a black screen issue in Helldivers 2? Don't worry, we have got you covered. In this video, we will walk you through simple steps to fix the problem and get back to enjoying your gaming experience hassle-free. First of all, navigate to the game's installation folder, right-click on the game icon, select Manage, then browse local files. This action will open up the directory where the game is installed. Once you locate the bin folder, where you will find the game guard folder, this is the anti-software used in the game which can sometimes cause glitches during installation. To resolve this, simply delete the game guard folder by right-clicking on it, and next within the game's installation folder, right-click on Helldivers 2, go to Properties, then Compatibility, and ensure that you have checked the option to run the program as an administrator. This step can alleviate any permission-related issues. Heading towards next solution, download and run the Visual C++ redistributable for Visual Studio 2012. Even if you already have it installed, repairing this installation can resolve compatibility issue. Follow the prompts and choose your repair option if necessary. Launch the game directly from its executable file. Some users have found this to be a helpful workaround, bypassing potential issues with launching through Steam. Verify the integrity of the game files via Steam. Right-click on Helldivers 2 in your Steam library, go to Properties, then the Install Files tab, and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files to detect and replace any missing or corrupted files. By following these simple steps, you should be able to fix the black screen problem on Helldivers 2 and get back to enjoying your gaming sections without any further interruptions. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more gaming tips and tutorials.